Okay, so I'm gonna take you on a little tour of my floor in Christopher. Okay, let's see if my resident Ben is home.
Hey.
Hey Ben, just a quick question. What's your favorite thing about living in residence?
I'd say it's nice because you get the chance to meet a lot of new people, and it's really convenient because you're close to everything here. So I'd say that's the best part.
Awesome, thank you so much. See you later.
See ya.
There's my room right there, and I'll show you some of the bathrooms. So here's one, and you got the sink there. And then here's another one, this time with a tub. Okay, so we're gonna keep moving. That's the elevator right there. We're coming up to the laundry room. Oh, hey, Robbie.
Oh, hey.
Are you doing some laundry?
Yeah.
Awesome, see you later. Okay, so next we have the kitchen. We have a fridge here, microwave and sink. And then on the other side of the hallway here, we have some more rooms. And this is the lounge. And then more bathrooms on this side. Place for garbage. And then we just keep going with more rooms. Okay, so I've opened up one of the empty rooms on my floor. So this would be a double room, which would normally have 2 residents living in it. And there's a desk, wardrobe, 2 beds, and another one.